Hey girl, what if you could create something once and sell it over and over and over again, even while you're sleeping or spending time with your family? So that's the power of digital products, and it is easier than you think. Hi, I'm Ashley, and digital products changed everything for me. In my video about the 6 best side hustles for women over 40, digital products was number 3. Honestly, it could be number 1. Once you create a digital product, it works for you 24/7. God gave us unique gifts and experiences to bless others. Your wisdom, your solutions, your encouragement, someone out there desperately needs what you have to offer. Okay, so what are digital products? When I started in this program, I had no idea what digital products were. And I grew up in the 90s. Everything was still tangible. So wrapping my brain around something that I can't put my fingers on was hard for me at first. So, what are digital products? Digital products are exactly that. There are things that just float out in outer space, right? But so you watch Netflix, right? They have movies and everything. You don't put it into your DVD player anymore. When you listen to your music, you don't put a CD into the CD player anymore, right? Those are digital products. They're out in outer space, but you pay money for it and you use it over and over and over again, right? There's also things that are called printables, some things that you can buy digitally but print out. Like I have purchased quilting patterns online. I've also created my own coloring book. It's out there to buy and people print it out and use it. So, some examples that you could use like devotionals, planners, recipe books, how to do gardening, how to do quilting, how to do anything that you're good at that you get excited about. Okay, so you're thinking, nobody's going to pay for what I know, right? So you can go to Google Trends and you can put in like quilting, for example, and see what people are Googling, see what people are looking for in that area. And you might be like, hey, I'm really good with a rotary cutter. I could show people the things that I have learned to be able to cut their fabric better. So Google Trends is a really cool place that you can check that kind of stuff out. There's also a space in ChatGPT where you can find other GPTs, and there are market research GPTs that you can go to those and you can ask, what do people search for quilting advice? What do people search for gardening advice? What do people search for fill in the blank, right? What do people come to you for and ask advice for from you? What are you really good at? What do you enjoy? What lights you up? What could you talk about for days on end without having a script? What is a problem that you have solved in your own life? You can go to social media and you can type in how to not kill my houseplant or anything like that. Things that you have figured out, how to make it through a divorce, whatever it is. There are people that are searching for answers, and you've got something. Everybody has something. God has blessed all of us with talents and skills that we can share that other people are looking for. Okay, now you're thinking, all right, so I love quilting. So what? What am I supposed to do with that? How am I supposed to make a digital product? I'm not techie. I don't know anything about this. So there are simple tools. Canva, for example, I had never heard of it, but it is a wonderful program where you can create ebooks, you can create photos, you can create. I created my coloring book in it. It's super fun and it is super user friendly. And there's tutorials and everything to help you figure that out. You can also use ChatGPT to help you. You can use Google Docs to help you organize everything in a place to put everything together. All of these can help you make it look super professional without being a professional designer. So you can look at places like Etsy, and you can also ask ChatGPT if you're wondering, what do I charge for something like this? I have no idea. Should I charge $1,000? Should I charge $27? What should I charge for something like this? And then you're like, okay, how do I sell it? So the program that I have is called system.io. It's free to start out. And this is where I have my digital products hosted, and I have emails. It hosts my website, it hosts my landing page, It hosts all of my contacts. It also hosts all of my payment links, and it's super easy. I have a link for that below. The beautiful thing about the digital products that I sell is that I didn't have to create them. And I didn't have to create the system in System.io. I didn't have to do any of that. It was all pre-built for me. And I just sell it over and over again. This is the system that taught me how to do all of these things and to learn how to create my own. If you're interested in that, it's called the Free Freedom Blueprint, and the link for that is below. If you want to learn the exact program that I'm learning from, check out that link below. Let me know. What is one digital product that you wish existed that could solve some problem in your life? Maybe that's the one that you could create. So put that in the comments below and check out my Free Freedom Blueprint linked below. I hope you have a blessed day. I will see you in the next video.